Sangria, nachos, lemon heads, my dad's boat. You won't go down cause my dick can float. We sail around the world and go port to port. Every time I come, I produce a quad. Put on your life vest, let's jump anchor. There's a nice lady who I like to swank her. Deadliest catch without the crabs. We're almost out of gas. Call the Arabs. I'm a pussy pirate. My name is Jack Sparrow. Take off my pants, she can see my flesh arrow. Make sure to wax. Use your mom's hair. You'll be amazed when I come in your hair. Pull up the anchor 'cause we're leaving dry land. Get below deck with a tick in your hand. Anchor us away and shiver me timbers. We like to fuck ladies with our 8-inch members. Love me hookers who be a curvy. 8 at lemons and limes so contracted the scurvy. Drop the anchor, give that hoe a shout. 'Cause I'm using my compass to find a nappy dugout. That's the male Mariah Carey, y'all. Give it up!
Boom. Wow. 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 All right, that's good.